Recently, NULS brought great joy to its investors. At one point, its token even doubled in price. Although it gave back some of that appreciation, NULS ended the month at least 50% above its beginning October price. But hold on, the purpose of this video is not to speculate on the price, but rather to bring you the latest updates that may have influenced this significant price appreciation. Hello everyone, I'm Vinicius Ferrero, and in today's video, we're going to talk about some relevant updates within the NULS ecosystem, particularly the listing of the NULS token on various futures markets exchanges. Looking at the appreciation of the NULS token, we noticed that according to the prices at the beginning of October, it reached over 150% appreciation. Although it has since returned a bit from that high, it still maintains around 50 or 60% appreciation. But even when compared to the first day of August up to today, it still represents an increase of over 40%. One of the catalysts for this price movement in the market was potentially caused by the news on August 26, which was the listing of NULS in the futures market of the Binance exchange. Binance is the world's largest exchange in terms of trading volume. On the first day of this listing, Binance brought a trading volume of over $180 million in NULS futures contracts. The listing of NULS in the futures market wasn't limited to Binance alone. In fact, many other exchanges listed NULS in their futures markets around the same time. Bybit, another major exchange, also announced the listing of NULS in its perpetual contracts, allowing leverage of up to 12.5 times. BitGet also listed NULS in its futures market, and LBank did the same, offering leverage of up to 50 times. Blofin also made this type of listing. According to Reaper Ran, who frequently shares updates about the NULS ecosystem, exchanges Gate.io and MEXC also listed NULS. So, between August 26 and 27, several exchanges listed the NULS cryptocurrency in their futures contracts, allowing leverage and other types of trading, which brings much more liquidity and volume to this coin. Looking at the chart again, we can see that the second leg of NULS's price increase occurred between August 25 and 27, right during these announcements. But don't worry, this video isn't just about that. After all, NULS brought other relevant updates during this same period. In this post we can see some information about its multi-gas system, which allows people to pay fees within the NULS blockchain using Bitcoin, Ethereum or NULS. The cool part is that those who stake NULS will receive part of these fees as a reward. In other words, you can stake NULS and receive NULS Bitcoin and Ethereum in return. All of this is not yet available to the user. But according to this screenshot, all tests have been completed, and soon we will see this on the mainnet through the Naybox wallet, allowing you to pay gas fees in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and NULS, and by staking NULS, receive part of these fees as a reward. Additionally, NULS also launched within its ecosystem a platform called NULS Ecosystem Ignition, which aims to foster new projects to be developed within the NULS blockchain. This initiative is a mix of crowdfunding and ICO, allowing investors to invest in new projects that will be developed within the NULS blockchain. In fact, there's already a project there called NULS Oracles that is raising funds for its development. This is the official announcement of this initiative made on August 25, very close to the announcement of NULS listings in the futures markets, which may have also contributed to the currency's price evolution. Here they provided a complete Medium article talking about this project. Its goal is precisely to foster the community within NULS, to create new tools using this blockchain. Through this crowdfunding system, it allows investors to easily invest in these projects. As I mentioned earlier, there's already a project in there called NULS Oracles. We know how important oracles are to keep information that is outside the blockchain within the blockchain. This integration is done in a dynamic and functional way. Here, it's possible to make donations to the development of this project. Depending on your donation, you will also receive a certain amount of the project's tokens. For example, if I donate 100 NULS to this project, I will receive 500 ORA tokens, which is the token of NULS Oracle. All donations are very transparent with various information about the project. On this same screen, as soon as you click here to see information about the project, you'll find the GitHub code to check what's being developed, as well as the project's community on Telegram, the white paper, and even the token contract. Each project will stipulate the amount of NULS needed for its development. In the case of NULS Oracles, a total of 100,000 NULS is needed. However, a complete explanation of how this amount will be spent was detailed. For example, 9,000 NULS are needed to pay for at least 2 servers for 3 years. They need 375 NULS to have a functioning website with its own domain for 3 years, 15,000 NULS for development and maintenance of this solution, 2,500 NULS for smart contract, auditing, and some other information. So basically this tool allows you to look at everything about the project, study it, and see if you want to donate to the development of the idea. If you decide to donate, you will receive tokens of this project in return. Remember to carefully analyze the project due to the risks involved. However, I found this proposal quite interesting, because it allows you to invest in and support a specific project at the very beginning of its life. Well guys, I'll leave some support links in the description of this video to make it easier for you. These were the relevant pieces of information I wanted to share with you in today's video. They are quite relevant and may significantly impact the value of NULS in the future. Now let's wait for the next major updates, and also take advantage of everything this ecosystem has developed. Well, if you liked this video about the updates, don't forget to leave a like below, subscribe to the channel, and also activate the notification bell, because as soon as I bring new content you'll receive the notification. Now I'm signing off here. Thank you very much for your audience, and I hope to see you in the next video. So until then, bye bye.